Hello boys and girls, I've got a little drum tech tip for you about broken cymbals. Now, two very common things that happen with broken cymbals. You get this, you can see this little hairline fracture from the edge, and if you leave those and you carry on pelting them with drumsticks, you're going to get this sort of thing, like a little bite out, and you get shards of metal flying off, which is no good. Now also, it makes your cymbals sound like shite. So, if you look this up on YouTube, you will probably find loads of people telling you to do things like drill a handy little hole here to stop that crack dead in its tracks, or things like this to take a little curve out, just cut a nice neat curve out there so it can't possibly crack any further. Now, my response to that is, bollocks, don't bother doing that. I've got a much better idea for what to do when you break your cymbals.